What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to save a search inside of the eBay app. Now what this is going to allow you to do is going to be super helpful if you snipe filters or you are just watching certain filters on your eBay account. It's going to save the exact same filter and search where you could easily just hit a button and just take you to that search without having to redo everything again. So I'm just going to type in a random search here, and I'm actually looking to sell this item myself, the Duffman pop figure, and I'm just looking through the auctions to see the pricing. And I'm going to come back to this later because I don't really want to sell it necessarily right now. But what you're going to do is, if you see the search bar, and then you see right below that to the left, there's going to be a little heart with a saved text that is right next to it, and it is highlighted blue. And if you just click on that, it's going to bring up the menu that I showed you there. And then you could just go through with the menu and save the search. And then when you go to the search bar again and you head over to the right tab to see your saved searches, you could see the Duffman pop figure is saved there. And any filters that you also applied onto the search is going to be saved there as well. Now, I didn't apply any filters, so you can't see it now from my end of the screen. But if you did, this is just an example for the video. So if you did, it will appear on your search as normal. If you had any questions or were confused at all on how this worked, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.